Okay guys, so we're going to start lesson 4.6, division and distributive property. So this should be easy for us since we have already learned about the distributive property, but we learned it with multiplication. In this case, we're going to use division. Okay, so your materials are basically going to be color pencils and your grid paper. You can use distributive property to break apart numbers to make them easier to divide. The distributive property of a division says that dividing a sum by a number is the same as dividing each addend by the number and then adding the quotient. Okay, so to make this easier, we are going to solve A, B, and C. Okay, so but first, before solving, letter A that says outline a rectangle in a grid to model 69 divided into 3. Then shade the columns of 3 until you got 69 squares. How many groups of 3 can you make? To find the groups, we are going to go straight ahead and do letter C first, okay? We're going to do letter C first, so we can go back here and draw our model. Okay, so let's go ahead. And I have my problem over here already solved. Okay, so you know that we're going to be working with 69 divided into 3. This is our division, okay? So we're going to copy 3 in both sides. You copy 3 because 3 is your divisor, so you put it in both sides. Now you're going to divide 69 and separate it into two numbers that added gives you 69. You know that 60 plus 9 is 69. This is why we have 60 here and 9 here. Okay, so then you are actually going to divide what is inside the parentheses. 60 divided into 3 is 20, and 9 divided into 3 is 3. Okay, and when you add 20 plus 3 is 23. So this is our actual answer for 69 divided into 3. Okay, so when we already have this answer, we go back here. Okay, we already know that our answer is 23. So what we're going to do next is that you are going to draw, you're going to draw 3. You're going to draw a line going down 3 squares. Okay, that is because your divisor is 3, so that is why you go 3 times. Okay, so now you are going to do a normal distributive property model. You put 20 here and 3 here. Why? Because you know that this is our product. Okay, so 20 plus 3 make up 23. So that means that you're going to grab one color pencil and you're going to draw 20 lines. Okay, going down 20 times. Okay, I've already drawn mine. These are 20. Okay, and you're going to grab a different color pencil and you're going to draw 3. Look, 1, 2, 3. So here you have 23 together, and this is the model for 69 divided into 3. To make this clear, we're going to do one of our own. And if you go to letter D, it says outline other model to show 68 divided into 4. How many groups of 4 can you make? Okay, so it is asking you for the groups of 4. Okay, so it says in the same problem, remember, we're going to do the distributive property first. Think of 68 as 40 plus 28, so you know that 40 plus 28 is 68. break apart the model, label, and shade to show two divisions. Okay, so they already told us that we're going to break this 68 is going to be 40 here and 28 here. So now all you got to do is the actual divide. Okay, 40 into 4 is 10. Okay, so you just actually divide it. It is 10. Now all you have to do is divide 28 into 4, which is 7. Okay, now you add 10 plus 7, which is 17. Okay, so that is the answer for that division. Okay, 68 divided by 4 is 17. Okay, so how are we going to work this? You already know that our divisor, which is number 4, goes here. That means you're going to use 4 rows. Okay, you're going to go 4 down. Okay, and you are going to make 17 lines. How are you going to divide this? You might divide this 10 and 7. Okay, so and you make 10. Okay, one, two, three, four. Okay, and you do this in different colors. So that is how you model. Now you got to do 7 down. Okay, using different colors. You have to do 7. Okay, so that is how you show your model.